Welcome to PPC Ad Editor tutorial. Need a clean, shareable snapshot of your ad campaign? The Preview PDF download feature lets you easily export your ad previews into a professionally formatted PDF. Follow the step-by-step guide below to download a PDF preview of your selected ad project. On the left sidebar, select the Preview section. This feature is only available for Google search campaigns using the responsive search ads, RSA, format and Google Display Ads. Make sure you're working with a supported ad type before proceeding. In this tutorial, I will go with Google Search Ads. Click on the Preview button under the Actions column for your selected project. In preview mode, you can view your ad mockup, align the content with your objectives, and download it for easy sharing. In the toolbar, click on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Download PDF. The system generates a formatted PDF containing your ad details. The PDF download feature makes it easy to share polished, presentation-ready versions of your ad previews.